How does Scope help you debug in Chrome DevTools? Imagine trying to find a tiny leak in a complex plumbing system. You need to see which pipes are connected and where the water is flowing. That's exactly what Scope does in Chrome DevTools when you're debugging your code. It shows you which variables are accessible at any given moment during execution. When you pause your code at a breakpoint, the Scope pane reveals all the variables available in different contexts. These include local variables inside the current function, closure variables from outer functions, and global variables accessible throughout the page. This layered view helps you understand how data moves through your program. By examining variable values at specific moments, you can spot unexpected data or logic errors. You can even edit variables directly in the Scope pane to test fixes without changing your source code immediately. If you have nested functions or asynchronous code, Scope helps you see which variables are active and where conflicts might occur. For example, if a variable is shadowed by another with the same name, Scope makes it clear which one is in use. When a breakpoint pauses your code, hovering over variables in the source code also shows their current values, giving you instant feedback. This makes it easier to identify where your logic might be going wrong. The console panel is another handy tool that interacts with scoped variables while paused. You can run expressions or modify variables in the current context, speeding up your testing process. Overall, Scope in Chrome DevTools acts like a map of your program's current state. It makes the invisible visible and gives you control to inspect, modify, and understand your code better. This helps you find bugs faster and fix them more accurately, making your debugging process smoother and more efficient.